Most Christians overeat because they keep making this simple mistake. And looking back at my own binge eating history, I have made this mistake many times without even realizing it. And the fact that I'm a Christian just made things worse. So let me explain to you what it is and what to do about it. So imagine you just finished eating dinner with your family, but then there are some leftovers. And you know that these leftovers, if they are not eaten, tomorrow they are going to be rotten and bad, and basically they will have to be thrown away. And so your mom says, "Hey guys, there's some leftovers. We can't waste food, guys. Eat this." In that situation, what are you going to do? If you're anything like the past version of myself, you're going to eat those leftovers. Not because you are hungry, but because you don't want to waste food. And this happens like everywhere. You are at camp with your church mates, and basically you just keep going for second round, you just keep eating the leftovers because you don't want to waste food. You are at a wedding, you do the same. Like, why on earth do we just eat because we don't want to waste food? And unfortunately for you, this happens way more intensely than you'd like it, and you end up stuffing food into your mouth more than you are comfortable, and you end up binge eating. And now your family and your friends, they know that when you are around, no food gets wasted. And yeah, that's painful. And I call that the no food gets wasted mindset. I don't worry, my friend, I've got too many solutions that are here for you, which I believe are going to help you. So let's start on with the first solution. I remember we had finished doing door-to-door visits at church, and we finished that. We were given rice to eat, and then after rice we were given some fruits. Now I was full, like the rice was enough for me to make me feel full and satisfied, but I didn't want to just leave the fruits right there, because for some reason I wanted to just save them for later. So I remember I'm going home, I have this banana in my pocket, and I'm walking with a friend, and I just thought to myself, like, why not just give it to him? I'm full anyway. And so I said to him, "Hey bro, here's a banana." And he was like, "What? You saved this for me?" And he was happy. And in that moment, not only did I make my friend happy, but I also saved myself from being a victim to overeating later because of that temptation that I would have gotten from that banana. And that's why the first step is you need to develop a spirit of giving. Not only is it going to save you from overeating and binge eating, it's going to make people grow closer to you, and your friends are going to wonder, wait, what's changed about you? You didn't used to be like this. You used to be the no food gets wasted guy. But it's going to be great. And if you don't have any, if you live alone, then you can just consider getting a dog. It does come with responsibilities though, but it might just help you. And now let's address the underlying mindset behind this. Remember how I said that being a Christian adds fuel to the fire? Well, it's because if you waste food, like, why on earth would you waste food? There are kids starving in Africa, and here you are wasting food. And so you feel like obligated to eat because you have it. So let's talk about that. Well, I want you to think of a bird being afraid to fly because it's feeling pity for the snake. It's like, wait, why on earth would I fly when there are snakes which eat the dust every day? Surely I can't fly. Well, that bird would be stupid. That bird is blessed with wings, so it has to use them. Something for you, you are also blessed with food. Don't feel obligated to punish yourself because you have blessings. I want you to replace the "I can't waste food" mindset with this. It's better to waste food than to binge. Your body is the temple of God, and do not abuse it by just force feeding food into it. Even though you feel obligated to eat, you are not helping anyone here. You are not helping yourself. You are definitely not honoring your body in any way. So if you could only take one thing from this video, it would be this. It's either you're wasting food or you are wasting yourself. Or just pick one. And hopefully this helps you, my friend, to get over this mindset. And if you click the link in the description, you'll be able to book a free call with me, and I'll do my best to help you to stop binge eating for free. So I'll see you there.